Welcome to She Who Mends, where we explore the art of healing, intention, and living in alignment with your truest self. I'm Sabine Leora, your guide on this journey of mindful living, spiritual connection, and creating a life that feels as good on the inside as it looks on the outside. Each week, we'll dive into practices, stories, and conversations that help you mend the threads between mind, body, and spirit, and step fully into the life you're meant to live. So settle in, take a breath, and let's begin today's episode. Welcome, dear ones, to She Who Mends. Take a moment to settle in, breathe deeply, feel your shoulders soften, feel the ground beneath you. Today we're exploring the world of sound, not just as music, not just as words, but as vibration, as resonance, as a bridge between body and spirit. Sound is everywhere. It is the silence between heartbeats, the echo of laughter, the way a single note can bring tears to your eyes or courage to your chest. Today we'll journey through 3 layers of sound: how sound heals, how mantra and chant open the voice, and how the earth herself sings. Sound has always been our oldest language. Before words, there was rhythm, the mother's heartbeat in the womb, the steady drum of rain, the rise and fall of breath. Sound has the power to hold us when we're broken and to lift us higher when we're joyful. Think of how a single melody can carry you back to childhood, or to someone you loved, or to a moment you thought you had forgotten. That isn't chance. Sound bypasses the thinking mind and speaks directly to the soul. It reminds us of who we are and of the wholeness we sometimes forget. Even now, as you listen, notice your body. Maybe your breath slows. Maybe your chest opens. Maybe you feel a little more still. That is sound working within you. Your voice is medicine, not because it's perfect, not because it's trained, but because it's yours. When you whisper a prayer, when you sing without thinking, when you hum just to soothe yourself, that is healing. Mantras and chants are not about performance. They are about vibration. A single word, repeated again and again, becomes a key that unlocks something hidden within. Even one sound can shift the space around you and inside of you. So here's an invitation. After this episode, choose a word that means something to you. Peace, trust, love, even your own name. Whisper it, sing it, chant it, let it echo through your chest. See what it stirs awake. Sound is not only human, the earth is always singing. Listen, the wind through the trees, a choir of leaves, the steady hum of bees, the low roll of thunder, the crash of ocean waves, the call of a bird at dawn. This is the earth's music, and we are a part of it. Your footsteps are percussion. Your heartbeat is a drum. Your breath is a flute. Together, we are woven into the symphony. Sometimes healing is not about adding more. Sometimes it's simply about listening, stepping outside, being still. The earth will sing to you if you let her. Sound is more than what we hear. It is a memory. It is a vibration. It is the invisible thread connecting us to each other, to the earth, and to the great mystery. Carry sound with you. Hum a note when you feel anxious. Whisper a mantra when you feel lost. Open your ears to the song of the world around you. And remember, you are part of the music. Your voice, your breath, your heartbeat, they belong to the eternal song of creation. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today on She Who Mends. If these ideas spoke to you, you can always find more reflections, stories, and offerings at shewhomends.wordpress.com. Until next time, keep listening, keep singing, and know that Earth is always singing with you.